Hi guys, wait. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. This is one of the most interesting videos that I wanted to try out. Today we're going to try out a 1950s makeup tutorial. The few tutorials that I saw on YouTube, but I found one that was easy to follow. Yeah. So yeah,
on to the video. Yay!
And now for your satin clean skin and makeup. A clean look makeup to bring out all your natural feminine beauty. Makeup is a study in itself. You'll want not only to know how, but when to use it. For instance, you wouldn't anymore go to school wearing mascara and eyeshadow and lipstick than you would go to school wearing an evening.
Why? I had coming through. Okay.
Consider first a foundation. Foundation are bases which go
They never primed their skin. Okay.
on over throat and face to add a texture and color tone. Whatever the type of foundation, smooth it into the skin. Blend and keep blending till the foundation is completely unnoticeable.
So she's using like a stick foundation. I don't have that. I have a liquid foundation, so we're going to use that one.
Okay.
Am I doing this right? To use her hands. That's what he was doing in the video.
But whatever you do, don't use your foundation as a thick mat. No matter how thickly you put it on, you can't hide a badly cleansed, broken out skin. And a thick foundation emphasizes wrinkles, makes for an unattractive, unreal look. Put on lightly, blend, and keep on blending. Now to the question of rouge. Rouge is a tint, not a paint.
Rouge. I think it's in French. Oh yeah, rouge is red in French. Also called a blusher or blush. It's a cosmetic for coloring the cheeks in varying shades, applied as a powder or a cream. And I don't have a cream, but I will use a powder. So we have a rouge. I'm going to use this dark shade.
Then blend and keep blending upwards, and you add sparkle. Rouge, unblended into the skin, used heavily, makes you look older.
That's a little too much on this side. Let's see. Okay, I think I put too much on this side. So let me try and blend it out with my hands. Okay, I feel like I've already filled this look. I think we're going to leave it like that, because if I add more, it's just going to look bad.
This is true too with accenting eyebrow color. The eyebrows frame the eye, not to be noticeable in itself. Just accent the natural look. Sketch out the line of each hair in the direction in which the hair grows.
Okay, so sketch out the line in each hair. I have a bushy eyebrow, so let's work with what we have.
Beginning with the line parallel with the corner of the eye, blending at the end of the brow. Don't let the end of the line droop.
So sketch out the line in each hair.
Now, brush the hair up with a dry brush. And then, taking a small comb, turn down the tips of the hairs.
Down, like a comb, and then okay.
You'll have a beautiful, clean line. Eyeshadow is also an aid to eye beauty. Choose a color that brings out your own eye color.
Okay, purple. So do I have a purple eyeshadow?
Using just a bit of the shadow on your finger, begin tracing the line as close to the lid edge as possible. Here, green is used for hazel eyes. Start halfway across the lid. This makes the eye look larger.
Oh my god, because of my hooded eyes, it's already creasy. But no, you know what, we're going to just go with flow. So we're going to need to blend and blend. I personally find it hard to blend with my fingers, but we're going to just
now blend and blend.
Continue
right out and up toward the hairline.
Okay, I guess that's blending enough. Is it?
Used too thickly, the effect is hard, vulgarizing. Use tastefully. Use sparingly. Wipe brush almost dry. Then apply just on the top lashes only. Brush each lash individually. Now take a dry brush. Again, brush each lash separately, till all but just a touch of color is brushed off. The beauty of the eye is what you see, not the makeup. The use of lipsticks is one of the greatest tests in your artistry, and good taste in using makeup. For the cleanest, most natural line, use a brush. A little patience and a little practice, and you'll be an expert. Fill the brush with color. As always, you can check color by effect. Do you notice the lips themselves, or do you say, there is a lovely woman? Trace a clean, unexaggerated line, staying as close to the natural line as possible. If lips are too thin, fill right out to the outermost edge of the line. If too full, stop within the line. Brush in lipstick, filling the line right out to the corner. Blot off all excess. Unblotted lipsticks are pasty looking. Blot for the smooth, clean, natural look. And study the impression left on the tissue.
Were they painting onto their lips? Eesh. Okay.
Now for powder. Take a clean piece of cotton. Use fresh each time for absolute cleanliness. Fluff on powder for a softening effect. And then brush and brush off. For a final professional touch, take a sponge, dampen it only slightly, and pat all over your makeup.
So I'm going to take a sponge and damp it with, I think I don't know what he used, but I'm going to use setting spray.
Your 1, 2, 3 beauty plan completed.
Okay, I guess that's it. But wait 1 minute. Oof, we're back. So I'm trying to get into character here. For this video, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our little dress up. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to share it with friends and family. And yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.